Comes number 3. Oh, you idiot. Is that thing popping up? That is so annoying. Oh, we got 3 today. And it is... Oh, nothing wrong trying to find my thingy. 344. Sorry about that. It's all buggered. There it is. He's moving pretty good, it looks like. Stick you right about there. Don't you dare shut off me. I'll be so mad at you if you do, camera. Right there. Shoot. As soon as it gets here. That was a quick one. Oh, that's 3 anyways. Not bad. Oops, wrong way. Get up there. They're building something over there, it sounds like. I wonder what's going on over there. Let's see, what time is it now? 3:47. Cool. Alright. That's all for now. I'll catch you later.